Raise your hand if you have Pottery Barn taste, but on an Aldi's budget. I'm sorry, I can't justify spending that much on holiday decor, but I love to look through the catalog and walk through the store so that I get ideas. Because one of the best things about knowing how to sew is that as you learn how to do things, you begin to learn how to break things down and how to make it yourself. Like this little guy right here. This is my friend Buddy. And Buddy in from Pottery Barn costs a lot of money. This little guy cost me under 50 bucks to make. And I'm going to show you how. We're not going up to the sewing room. Go ahead, grab your drink of choice. You know I have my coffee. I am going to keep a lid on it just in case I drop something in it. Don't want to mess that up. But let's go make some tricks on a very good treat budget. So we're starting with the tomato cage upside down, and then we're going to take a zip tie and put the 4 prongs together. Careful so you don't scratch yourself. I actually did scratch my leg twice when I was bringing these back, and not so fun. Not so fun. Had to clean them out. Luckily, I do have my tetanus shot. By the way, I did get the last 3 tomato cages at my Lowe's, so I'm sorry if you shop where I shop. But you zip tie the 4 of them together, and then you just cut the zip tie. Then you're going to take an 8x5 styrofoam ball and put that on top. I enjoyed that a lot. From there, I'm just taking a set of Christmas lights. They are cool white that I have from leftover from last year, and I'm just wrapping them around the tomato cage. This is going to give that glow. Now, I really like the fact that these are the cool white because I just like that bluish glow when it comes to a ghost for Halloween. And I just take my time wrapping them around, and I didn't even bother securing them each way. I just wrapped it around to secure it. I only used 1 zip tie at the bottom and 1 zip tie at the top. Maybe a twist tie. I think it was the twist tie that I just took off that I used at the top. This goes together so quickly, and you can use whatever lights you want. I know for Halloween you can get orange, you can get purple, you can get red. I just like the cool white just because it's what I have, and I want to keep this as simple as possible. For the fabric, I did not go to a fabric store or order fabric. I bought a set of queen size sheets to use. So here I'm taking the fitted sheet and I'm going to put the bottom of the tomato cage inside the one corner. And so the fitted elastic of the sheet is going to wrap around the bottom, and that's going to help protect your floors from any type of damage from the metal if you do have it inside. And then I just wrap it around, and the fact that it's elastic makes it very, very easy to have the back accessible. If you want to get in there and do something with the lights, say one of them needs to be replaced or the lights need to be replaced, you don't have to take the whole thing apart. And it closes really easily. Then I'm going to take the fitted sheet and shake that out. And I didn't even bother ironing or steaming these or anything. I'm just putting them on because through the season they're just going to go ahead and those folded wrinkles will go out themselves. But you can certainly just run it through the dryer just to get rid of those. And don't go buying expensive sheets. I think for the first ghost that I made, I bought them at Target, and the cheapest set there that I could find was between 20 and 25. This next set I bought at the dollar store for 10 bucks. So easy, so simple. The most expensive fabric that I got was this piece of, they call this creepy white fabric. This is cheesecloth, and it's very common for Halloween decorations. I bought 2 packs of it at Joann's, and they were on sale. Joann's has their 40% off right now. I think they were $15.99 a piece, and then you get the extra 40% off. And then I just adjust it, kind of shift it as I want. You could take a wire coat hanger and make it look like the ghost has arms. I did not, because I checked every closet and I do not have any wire coat hangers anymore. So that was not going to happen. Then I'm going to take a piece of felt, and I just folded it in half because we want our eyes to be symmetrical. And I didn't draw it. I didn't use a template. I just rough cut it. And I rough cut just an oval. And because it's folded over, you will get 2 identical eyes. This really goes together so quickly. The only part of this video that I have sped up was actually putting the lights on. All in all, once I had all of my packages opened up, this took me under 15 minutes to put together. 2 eyes. Now I'm using tape only because I want to see the placement. And then afterwards, I'll go ahead and use, I'm using Gorilla Glue right now. But I would notice something that it does kind of seep through the felt a little bit. So I want to go and get just a regular container of crazy glue. So I just, for right now, I'm just taping it on and placing that on. And there, our ghost has eyes. It's really cute, just playful and fun. I'm not one for scary Halloween decorations. And now I have 2 ghosts. I hope you guys had as much fun as I did making my buddy the ghost. Actually, I made an entire ghost family. And I don't know about you, but I am so looking forward to Halloween and the fall season this year. Now, if you wanted to go and take these guys and put them outside, don't worry about having to buy waterproof fabric. What you can actually do is take a can of shoe weatherproofing spray. You can get it at any shoe store or even on Amazon, and you can spray them down, and it'll make it a little bit more weather resistant, so that if you wanted to put them on your front porch or in the front yard, it would make them last a little bit longer. So that's all I have for today, but I'm just going to cuddle up with my newest do-it-yourself Pottery Barn pillow. This is another Buddy the Ghost, and this one, you can see how I sew them up right here. See you soon, guys.